Women in Film India ने इस साल टाई अप किया विद इम्पैक्ट लैब एंड विद प्रोड्यूसर्स नेटवर्क। हमने इंडिया का वो वहाँ पर एक सीट पे
रुमाल रख दिया था ले जाके कि ये दो हमारी कुर्सियां हैं।
बिलीव मी, जब भी अभी तक मैं जितने टेबल्स पे हर मॉर्निंग जाके इंट्रोड्यूस करी हूँ, मेरे इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद पीपल
तालियां बजा रहे हैं।
क्या बात है।
हम पूरा पेल रहे हैं हर सुबह।
Don't take no for an answer. There is a way for you. Hi, I'm Suruchi Sharma.
Hi, I am Molshri.
Hi, I am Jasmine A. Singh.
Hi, I am Archana Borade.
Hi, I'm Guneet Monga Kapoor and we are here at Cannes with Sucharita.
Women in Film India back at Cannes 2026. Congratulations, all of you.
Yes.
And for those who don't know, Women in Film is an organization जिसका India chapter Guneet Monga Kapoor heads. And last year we spoke here at this very same venue when you had a different cohort of different producers. What is different this time? Now, also this is an official Cannes initiative that is organized by the festival.
Yes, so Women in Film India ने इस साल टाई अप किया with Impact Lab and with the Producers Network.
Both of which are nestled within the Cannes Film Festival.
Yes, माशिरू फिल्म मार्केट के अंदर पैरेलल प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे किस्म के लैब्स चलते हैं, तो हमने उनमें से 2 लैब्स के साथ टाई अप किया, इम्पैक्ट लैब, इम्पैक्ट which is all about impact producing and producers network. हमने पिछले साल सिर्फ producers network किया था, and this year and as we finished that, in fact Mashiru Film was so excited about being on this journey with women in film that they reached out to Rabia who heads Women in Film India.
Shout
I-
out.
I am the founder, but it's not possible without Rabia Chopra, जो day on day ये सब पूरा put together करती हैं. So they reached out to Rabia and then they told us very early in August कि हम लोग Impact Lab में सिर्फ 4 countries लेंगे and हर country से सिर्फ 2 producers लेंगे. So if you want to block your seats, you
Yeah.
block that now. So हमने August पिछले साल 2 seats block कर ली थी and हमने इंडिया का वो वहाँ पर एक सीट पे रख
रुमाल रख दिया था ले
रुमाल
जाके
रख
कि
दिया
ये
था
दो
कि
हमारी
seats-
कुर्सियां हैं।
2 seats इंडिया
Correct.
की and 2 seats women in film के लिए. And it's not open for anybody. So
Yeah.
we really moved very fast. And उस टाइम हमें नहीं पता था we will get sponsorship or not.
Yeah.
But उम्मीद पे दुनिया कायम है कि कर लेते हैं and support will come. And Impact Lab का criteria है कि जो producers select होंगे they should have at least produced 2 short films. They should have never come to Cannes before. तो इस that is the criteria.
Yeah.
And what they do is that they work with young producers making their first film. But there is a large focus on how to make a sustainable career and how to do sustainability also in film, also with a gender lens. तो इस पूरे program का नाम है Impact Lab. तो and Producers Network is for people who have at least done one film. Criteria है and put it in cinemas. So more power to Archana and Molshri because उन्होंने independently films बना के cinema में release
थिएट्रिकली
किए
रिलीज करे।
over the last 4 years. तो ये criteria होता है and उसके basis पर we got so many applications. We got 100 plus applications. And here are the 4 scholars who won this application, who won this scholarship
Yeah.
and are here. And this is only possible with the support of Geo Studios and a incredible clothing brand, Redism, that supported us to come here.
Brand shout out, please. I will also take support if anybody wants to provide. But let us meet the winners. Let's start from over there. Please introduce yourselves to our viewers.
Hi, everyone. My name is Jasmine, and I am a young producer from India.
And you're in the Impact Lab.
Yes, I am part of the Impact Lab. I have produced 2 short films before, not yet produced a feature, and feeling much more ready after this experience and feeling very empowered to go ahead and make my first feature.
Hi, my name is Archana. I have so far produced 2 feature films, one of which I was able to have a limited theatrical release. The second one is in post-production right now. I have brought my third feature here, and because of Women in Film India, I've got this opportunity, and the doors are already opened for investors and financiers
Oh, that's
to
lovely.
be interested in my film, which is wonderful for me, and भगवान करे कि ये film जल्दी शुरू हो जाए.
And let's go over here.
Hi, I am Molshri. I am an actor producer based in Mumbai, and I'm also here part of the Producers Network. So every morning we are having breakfast meetings with producers from around the globe who have made such big films, and we are pitching to them to come on board and co-produce with them. It's an amazing feeling.
Amazing.
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम सुरुचि है and I'm from मेरी आवाज़ चली गई है थोड़ी सी. I'm sorry for that, but I'm from Rajasthan and I'm founder of this boutique production house called Studio Enak. So lovely to be part of this cohort because when you said sustainability, that was really my vision when I started Studio Enak. Ki how can I make local sustainable films? And I think थोड़ी सी बूढ़ी हो रही हूँ, सफेद बाल आ रहे, but at the same time I'm
देखो
one of the
young producers network में बैठी हुई हैं.
yeah, exactly. Who, along with Jasmine, learning how to move towards features because
Yeah.
I've been doing a lot of shorts before this.
Wonderful. Congratulations to all four of you for being here this year. Now, Jasmine, I had spoken with Guneet like 4 years ago at Cannes, and that's when she had told me that when she attended the Producers Network, her world opened up, and people have seen that interview on my platform. Are you having the same experience?
Absolutely. I mean, beyond and more, I cannot emphasize it enough. It's absolutely life changing. Thank you again, Guneet and Women in Film for that. So, I think मैं और
She's
सुरुचि
like a
थोड़े-
mother goose with like a little
is.
duckling.
100%.
But I think मैं and Suruchi तो और ज़्यादा lucky हो गए because through the Impact Lab we also get access to the producers network, which otherwise we are actually not eligible for since we've not produced features yet.
सोने पर सुहागा.
सोने पर सुहागा तो हम
Amazing. I'm so
पूरा
happy.
पेल रहे हैं हर सुबह हम उठ के and four of us are also living together, which is amazing. So every morning we are waking each other up. We cannot miss the breakfast, and we've not missed even one breakfast.
I love
and
it.
we line up every morning and we do our research, try to get the tables we want, pitch our projects accordingly, meet people. So I think मेरा जो bulb खुल गया है, it's like I also just feel empowered because I didn't know so much was possible.
Yeah.
And that there's so much interest. There's so many options that have been opened up, and so I think मतलब बहुत ही amazing हो गया.
Archana, how about you? What does the day look like? What time are you waking up? What time are you heading out the door? Take me through your schedule fast.
Okay, so I wake up the earliest. All the girls are going to agree to that.
Yes, yes.
And then once I wake up, I'm trying to wake up for small shoot.
What time is this? Like
Yeah,
7
this is
a.m.?
6:30 in the morning.
6:30,
6:30 in the
great.
morning.
Yes.
Generally, इतना time नहीं होता कि we can grab a breakfast or something, and it is a breakfast meeting. So we are thinking, चलो, let's get out.
Free का
of your-
खाना खा के आओ थोड़ा.
हाँ, फ्री का खाना.
थोड़ा snacks
वो
नूक
भी
मिलता
एक
है.
हाँ, और कॉफी भी है वहाँ पे, स्नैक्स भी है, सबसे बातें करते करते खा भी सकते हैं. So by 8:30 we are out of the house. We reach there by 9 o'clock. I mean, actually we reach by 8:45.
Yeah.
We stand in the line. Most of the times we reach so well in time कि we get the tables that we want. So we've already discussed कि हाँ तू ये टेबल ले, तू ये टेबल ले, मैं ये. फिर हम लोग रात को मिलके सब notes भी exchange कर लेते हैं. The whole day, first 1.5 hours.
घेराओ मतलब.
Yeah. Like,
Before they were coming, I told them divide and conquer. Same
Yeah.
table पर मत बैठ जाना. Divide, conquer, share notes, and इस तरह से सीखो that there is another one coming behind you.
Yeah.
And उसको आपको
Open the door
सिखाना
and
पड़ेगा.
hold it open.
उसको भी सिखाना पड़ेगा. Your notes should be freely also given to everybody else at Women in Film. 4 of you are here experiencing this, but we will go back to India and do workshops with many more so that they can share their experiences with them
Yeah.
and give those notes. Be accessible. Be the young producers who have this intel to share freely. It's the least we can do.
Yeah. Moultrie, there is a thing that we women, young women especially, are taught to be a little bit polite and don't speak out of turn and don't show up in places where you're not invited. वो एक झिझक निकली है यहाँ पर आके कैन में पहुँचकर.
हाँ बिल्कुल मतलब हमने जब
Oh, there's an anecdote here. There's a story.
क्योंकि हमारे यहाँ आने से पहले हम लोग पहले कॉल्स भी कर रहे थे प्रेप करने के लिए, तो दैट वाज वेरी हेल्पफुल क्योंकि हम अपने आप को इंट्रोड्यूस कैसे कर रहे हैं, अपने प्रोजेक्ट को पिच कैसे कर रहे हैं, वो हमारा पहला इंट्रोडक्शन है टू एन इंटरनेशनल प्रोड्यूसर्स का नेटवर्क. तो हमने ये डिस्कस किया था कि तुमने जो फिल्म्स बनाई हैं, जो तुमने काम किया है, तुम यहाँ तक पहुँचे हो, उसे हाईलाइट करो. एंड बिलीव मी, जब भी अभी तक मैं जितने टेबल्स पे हर मॉर्निंग जाके इंट्रोड्यूस करी हूँ, मेरे इंट्रोडक्शन के बाद पीपल
तालियां बजा रहे हैं.
क्या बात.
क्योंकि
इंट्रोड्यूस करके दिखाओ क्या.
हाँ, एग्जैक्टली. गुड वन. हाँ, बताओ. वो तुम्हारा कैमरा कौन सा है? वो वाला तुम्हारा कैमरा. बताओ
This
उसमें.
one?
हाँ.
ठीक है. Okay, I'm nervous, but all right. So hi, I am Moultrie. I'm an actor producer from India, and I have just released my first feature film. In India, especially, the film market has been shrinking a lot ever since COVID. It's very difficult to make independent films, especially Hindi independent films. If you don't have EPs or name talent or A-list festivals, distribution is shrinking, and it is quite a battle to get your films released. It's not happening. but one has happened. It's my first feature film, and it's now out on Netflix worldwide. You can watch it. And I am here with Women in Film India, bringing my next feature film. Feeling so supported by them because I would not have gotten this stage otherwise, and I want to learn as much as I can from all of you. And
So this is what you're saying to them on the breakfast table.
Yes.
Amazing. It's like मैंने जीत लिया है award. अब ये मेरी acceptance speech है. अब तुम सुनो.
Exactly.
I love this.
Yeah, so not shying away from just owning the space, and I feel a little jittery before saying it, but then as I say it, I'm like, okay, ho gaya. Kar
Suruchi,
diya.
tell me, why is it important for more young female creatives to believe in themselves and say कि मैं कर सकती हूँ picture produce? यार कौन रोकेगा मुझको?
100% कर सकते हैं. There is actually, we are swimming in a sea of negativity often. So it's difficult to understand and believe in that. आप 100% कर सकते हैं. And I'm really feeling it in my heart when I say this because we have done it. I come from a place, not an artistic background really, not supported initially. But I'm here sitting with Guneet Monga and these lovely ladies with you. I think it means the world to me to be here. And I heard her saying that if I can do it, you can do it. But I can think I can also say this. And if you, everybody can do it. You
Yeah.
know, like all the women, it is accessible. But हमको है ना थोड़ी सी हिम्मत करनी पड़ेगी. And I have heard 3 to 4 people say this. I don't take no for an answer. So make that a mindset, and then you can navigate this.
And it's mostly men saying that, but
But here I'm hearing a lot of women say that.
say
and they
that.
have
Say it out
really
loud.
don't take no for an answer. Really, really don't take no for an answer at all. Because there is a way for you. There is a way for all of us. There is a space for all of us. We are constantly given this narrative. ये नहीं चलेगा, वो नहीं चलेगा, this ये safe नहीं है, वो नहीं है. Please don't give two hoots to this. It really means nothing. Once you're on your journey, you can find your way. And everybody here has proved this. There are many more women back home. There are many more people back home who are doing that. Every day, filmmaking is not easy. Producing is not easy. But लोग कर रहे हैं. और कोई भी काम करना आसान नहीं है. पर जो भी लोग अच्छे शिद्दत से अपना काम करते हैं, वो कहीं ना कहीं पहुंचते हैं. जीवन को अच्छे आनंद से जीते हैं. जैसे अभी हम जी रहे
जय
हैं.
गुरु माँ.
शुरू
Wow.
से जी रही है आनंद से.
सुरुचि की खोई हुई आवाज जो वापस आई है 1 सेकंड के अंदर अंदर. वाह वाह वाह.
हमने कुछ जगा दिया.
नहीं नहीं जागने के लिए आए हैं दीदी. हम दोपहर के 2 बजे बैठ के हम बात कर रहे हैं कैन में फ्रांस में. एक्सक्यूज मी, यहाँ सोने नहीं आए. But Guneet, to you, what can young producers who are watching this do to get involved with Women in Film India? Producers, writers, directors, actors.
Sign up, it's free. We just celebrated 1 year of Women in Film.
Many congrats.
Thank you. It was launched 15th May 2025. And आज 1 साल हो गया है. We have 3,500 plus members.
Wow.
We do resilience workshops, which is online. We will be moving into doing many master classes, which will all be online. तो आप कहीं से भी बैठ के log in कर सकते हो. Membership as of now free है, but very soon it's going to be paid because we have to sustain the organization.
Absolutely.
And the organization should be self-sustaining and growing. बहुत मुश्किल है एक non-profit चलाना. Because I'm not, and it's a very different brain that I have to think about because it's not an IP. I'm not selling a particular film और उसके लिए एक tangible चीज़ है तो उसके लिए पैसा raise कर रहे हैं. This is just an institution in making, and I hope this institution builds and outlives us, you know, through which many branches come.
Yeah.
But it's constantly nurturing an institution, which is not like tangible. वो एक चीज़ नहीं है. उसमें constant पानी डालना है, उसमें constant खाद डालनी है, उसमें constant sustainability चाहिए. So we will be moving into that. But please sign up. It's free and supported by socials. Spread the word. Participate in all the things that we start. हम लोग हर महीने सोहो हाउस में एक वर्कशॉप करते हैं which is knowledge sharing. हम लोग I genuinely think our resilience workshop that we do with Chetna Chakravarti is something that will give you so much strength because हम एक freelancer business में हैं. And at the core उसके अंदर आपको resilience ही चाहिए होता है. Rejection तो free में मिलती है. You know, उसके आगे कैसे बढ़े. So we've thought about these programs and we are looking for money for many more programs that we will roll out soon. We are in conversation and we are very happy to be here second year, it's almost a miracle, and I'm very, very grateful, to Geo Studios, to Rarism to make this happen, really, because पिछली बार खुद से आए थे और इस बार सपोर्ट के साथ आए हैं, and हमारा 3 से 4 participants हो गए हैं, and the joy of all of them living together. Like, I feel I didn't have a peer group. I did this alone. Nobody. There were women in film had organized workshops and calls for them before they showed up here, and all of them spoke to Rucha, Tili, Dimpy before they came
Last
here.
year's participants,
also.
yeah.
And that is the power of peer group. तो वो पहले नहीं था लेकिन वो आज है, and tomorrow, and to all the young directors out there, writers out there figuring out कि मैं कैसे को प्रोड्यूस करूँ, मुझे पेरो के साथ करना है, नेदरलैंड्स के साथ करना है, सऊदी अरेबिया है 60% रिबेट, आस्क देम. ये लोग सब पढ़कर आ रहे हैं, एंड दे हैव नाउ मेंटोर्स जो इनको वापस से गाइड कर पाएंगे, एंड दैट इज द पावर एंड जॉय ऑफ कमिंग हियर. सो देयर आर मोर प्रोड्यूसर्स कमिंग आउट देयर, and they will also hustle with you to make more projects happen. So yeah, we will change the world.
On that note, we will change the world. Women in Film India cohort of 2026.
Thank you so much.